First, I am going to discuss about our coronary system of arteries, which is supplying the heart. The coronary blood supply. The coronary blood supply is the blood supply to the heart. Heart also requires adequate blood supply for its survival. To contract the myocardium, the contraction and relaxation should happen because of that myocardium requires oxygen. Oxygen will be supplied through the oxygenated blood, which is being supplied by coronary arteries. Coronary arteries, two main coronary arteries are there. One is right and the another one is left coronary arteries. The coronary arteries are taking its origin. It's originating from the root of aorta, which is arising from the left atrium. It is bounded by the aortic wall. The root of aorta is bounded by the aortic wall. Above the aortic wall, the root of aorta is giving two coronary arteries, one on the right side and the another on the left side. Left one is called left coronary artery. Right one is called right coronary artery. First we have to discuss about the left coronary artery. Left coronary artery is taking its origin from the left side of the root of aorta, and it's traveling laterally and giving two branches. One is left anterior descending artery and another one is left circumflex artery. The anterior descending artery is a fatal artery because if it is getting blocked, it will stop the left ventricular contraction. It's a severe myocardial infarction. It will give the severe anterior myocardial infarction. The left coronary artery, the main stem is called left main coronary artery. If it is blocked, totally the cardiac function will be stopped because of the loss of blood supply to the left ventricle. The major myocardial infarction, anterior myocardial infarction. In case of LMCA, that means left main coronary artery block, the blood supply will be stopped abruptly. By that, the lateral side of the heart supplied by the left circumflex and the anterior side of the heart supplied by the left anterior descending artery will be stopped. If the blood supply is not there, the contraction will be abruptly stopped. The myocardium can't contract. This is the mechanism of myocardial infarction. In this way, the arteries are very important. The knowledge about the artery is very, very important. The anterior descending artery is a branch of left main coronary artery. That's called LMCA. This left anterior descending artery is descending through the interventricular groove anteriorly, through the interventricular groove and coming down during its course, it is giving various septal branches. Septal branches, that is like S1, septal 1, S2, septal 2, S3, septal 3, S4, septal 5, up to 5 branches we can expect. The left anterior descending artery is giving the septal branches, which is supplying the interventricular septum, which is taking the main part of left ventricular contraction as well as pumping of the blood into the aorta. It's very, very important. The LAD disease is a dangerous disease. Anything blocking the LAD is fatal one. If you are not intervening immediately, it will be fatal. Immediately we have to do thrombolysis or some other procedures, angiogram and angioplasty, whatever it may be, emergency CABG procedures, whatever it may be, the intervention should be immediate. As soon as possible, you have to remove the block and establish the blood supply to the left ventricle. This is the important artery among the coronary system. Right artery is arising from the right side of the root of aorta. Left circumflex artery is another branch of the LMCA, left main coronary artery, which is traveling laterally and winding around the heart and going to the lateral side, where it is giving the branches. The branches are called marginals. Marginal branches. Again it is called obtuse marginal branches. Obtuse marginal branches. OM. We used to call it as OM. OM1, OM2, OM3, OM4, OM5, OM6. Like at the maximum we can expect 5 branches. Obtuse marginals, what is called obtuse marginals. The block, if anything atherosclerotic plaque is blocking the left circumflex, the blood supply to the lateral wall, will cut off. That will cause the lateral wall MI. LAD will cause anterior wall MI. The left circumflex will cause lateral wall MI. Right coronary will cause right side MI. Right ventricle and inferior wall will be affected. Now we are going to discuss about the right coronary, which is taking origin from the root of aorta on the right side. It's going to the right side and descending through the right side of the heart and reaching the apex, almost the apex. It's giving a posterior branch, that is posterolateral branch, what is called posterolateral, PLB. Another one branch, posterior descending artery, PDA, posterior descending artery, which is supplying the posterior side of the heart and the inferior wall of the heart. The blockage of the right coronary artery will result in the right side MA, the inferior wall MA, inferior wall myocardial infarction, inferior wall MA. Posterior wall infarction will be caused because of the blockage of posterior descending artery. Very carefully we have to treat the patients. In the applied anatomy, every question you have to write the last paragraph as applied anatomy. As applied anatomy. Applied anatomy of this coronary arteries is the heart attack, myocardial infarction, various infarctions you have to write. Then the procedures to establish the blood supply to the coronaries, the blocked blood supplies has to be established, regain the blood supply. How you have to regain the procedures? CABG, cardio bypass, cardiac bypass, coronary artery bypass graft, CABG. CABG surgery, that is opening the sternum and going inside and bypassing the block with grafts, connecting the one end of the graft. Veins used to be removed from the lower side of the leg, and that veins we are using as grafts. These veins, one side will be connected to the aorta. It's a small nick will be formed in the aorta and it will be stitched with the aorta. And the another end will be stitched with the place where the block, beyond that place where the block is there. If the LAD is blocked at its beginning, the middle of the LAD will be, left anterior descending artery would be connected with this graft. By that we are bypassing the block. Blood is going beyond the block. That is the way of establishing blood supply. 2-3 grafts we used to put at a time, even 5 grafts. So veins has to be removed from the legs. From the hand also you can remove. That is called CABG, coronary artery bypass graft. CABG surgery. Again, the medical procedures, the angiogram and angioplasty, we can insert stents. We have to deploy the stents in the blocking area. This blocked area. You have to deploy the stents. Stent means it's like a spring. If you are putting these stents with the help of cardiac catheters in the blocked area, that will establish the blood supply. Through the stent, blood will go. The blocked area will be dilated with balloons, and again this stents we have to put. That is called angioplasty. Very important procedures. This is the applied anatomy in the coronary arteries. It can come as short note as well as for essay questions. Be thorough with that. Very interesting also. Very easy to remember. My children, you have to be thorough with these coronary arteries. We are going to upload in the YouTube. You have to search and find out. Contact our Rajesh sir or Pradeep sir for the link, and you can hear these lectures. While listening the lectures, have the textbook in your hand and open and see the pictures also. We will again upload the PowerPoint presentations also regarding these questions. Okay. Thank you so much.